We are the future of Pakistan. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, school staff, and my beloved friends. Today, Ayushman stand here in front of you to deliver a great message. It is about us. Yes, it's about today's youth. In 25 years, Pakistan will turn 100 years old. The children born this year will be adult them. I wonder what they will see when they will look around. Will they see a country teeming with opportunity, or will they be in a country that does not offer enough jobs and does not provide the needed skill to compete? नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कश्त वीरां से ज़रा नम हो तो ये मट्टी बड़ी ज़रख़ेज़ है साकी. But after more than 7 decades of independence, the question that comes to Miss Mind: have we really made as much progress as we had dreamt of? Respected sir, we have witnessed the safe decades after independence, and another decade is in front of us. It is not that we have not achieved anything, but we would have achieved more. ना हो नो उम्मीदी ज़वाल इल्म इरफां है, उम्मीद मर्द मोमिन है खुदा के राजदानों में. Respected sir, we can't always build the future for our youth, but we can build your youth for the future. Youth are the most important and dynamic segment in any country. It is believed that developing countries with large youth population could see tremendous growth. अकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नज़र आती है इसको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. My dear friends, the role of the youth, the nation building is critical. They are problem solve, have a positive influence, and other young people and the nation. Youth have the ability to create an identity for themselves and move the nation. इस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, वो जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद. Respected sir, Pakistan will have a bright future because the major part of our population consists of youth who now want change in the political system, and also the youth want to change the education system. Dear sir, every Pakistani should think and work for the great cause, which means unity, faith and discipline should be practiced to be the ideal nation of the world. नहीं तेरा नशीमन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों में.